Hi, I'm Nathan Winsek from Amp Global. I'm Senior Product Manager for PAC Integration Products. I'm here to talk to you about our Amp Pro line of advanced amplifier interfaces. Amp Pro is designed for those factory premium sound systems that have all the features that you want, but you just want to improve your sound. Amp Pro provides a plug-and-play solution for you. It installs behind your radio. It has a professional T-harness that connects right into your wiring with no cutting, no splicing. Our interface then provides you with a front, rear, and subwoofer output that you can run to any aftermarket amplifier of your choice. We also provide a base level controller with the product, and we provide an optional Toslink digital fiber optic output add-on that you can add to the product to run a digital signal into any of the premium DSP units on the market. The advantages of Amp Pro is that the audio is perfectly flat and smooth. If you were to try to do an installation in one of these premium sound systems without a product like Amp Pro, you'd have to spend maybe as much as $1,000 in audio processing units to get all of your signal after that amplifier. Amp Pro simplifies that process by installing before your factory amplifier and getting the signal where it's cleanest. We have Amp Pro for Ford vehicles from 2006 to 2017. We have them for Chrysler vehicles from 2006 to 17, as well as Toyota vehicles from back to 2004 to 2017. We're the first on the market with the Toyota solution for the Toyota JBL sound systems. We have General Motors modern trucks and SUVs 2014 to 17. That is going to launch in another month from now. In addition to the Amp Pro products, we have speaker harnesses that allow you to make your connections to your factory speaker wirings without making any cuts or splices. It just plugs in and gives you enough cable to run to your aftermarket amplifier. So with Amp Pro and these harnesses, it's the easiest possible install for your premium audio sound system. So please look into Amp Pro by PAC. Again, I'm Nathan Winsek, coming to you from CES 2018.